The culture of impunity that we have created in this country is what gives a police officer at Central Police Station the confidence to know that even when he switches off that police camera or the CCTV and commits murder in the cells, the places where we've been told should be the safest places, that culture that gives the people confidence is what we are trying to address as a country. And Honorable Speaker, it shocked me to levels that I cannot even imagine, that a member of this House and a lawyer, for that matter, somebody who claims to be a legal mind, Honorable Speaker, would forget these fundamental provisions of the Constitution and support a situation where Kenyans are being subjected to abduction, subjected to torture, subjected to cruel and dehumanizing punishment. Honorable Speaker, there was a very serious case of some of our activists who went to stand with our brothers in Tanzania. My good friend, the chairperson of Chadema, Tundu Lissu, who has been facing treason charges. My brother John Heche, who was arrested at the border of Tanzania when he was coming to mourn Baba, somebody who has been his friend for many years. When some of our colleagues here, including respected people, tried to go there to stand in solidarity with these great movers, members of the democracy movement, they were subjected to some of the most inhuman things that you will ever have to countenance and go through. I hear people calling themselves Kalenjin warriors on the floor of this House. Some of the things that we heard from Boniface Mwangi, I would want to know why a Kalenjin warrior would wish any of that punishment and mistreatment on any human being, Kalenjin warrior or not. Speaker, it disgusts us. And one of the things that is the most disgusting for me as Senator Sifuna and SG of ODM is that some of these characters have been running around wearing ODM colors, calling themselves founder members of ODM. Mr. Speaker, they say birds of a feather flock together. Those are not our colors. Those are not our people. Those are not our values. The ODM party, Honorable Speaker, is a party that is known for justice. We are the manufacturers. We are the birthers of this constitution. There is no way, Honorable Speaker, we will associate with characters who run around saying people should be subjected to inhuman and degrading treatment.
Senator Sifuna.